Hey guys, welcome back. Once again, it's Daniel Ndukwu, and in this video, it's all about affiliate marketing for beginners. I'm not going to give you theory and concept. I'm going to really dive deep. I'm going to show you the tools I'm using, how to research your niche, how to find products, and how to generate traffic to your affiliate marketing website. So without further ado, let's dive in. Now, I'm going to assume that you know what affiliate marketing is before you clicked on this video. It's basically the process of promoting other companies' products and getting a commission on the sale or a commission for generating a new lead. Affiliate marketing has many different types and strategies, and the one I'm going to be talking about is building an authority affiliate website. An authority affiliate website is simply a website that has really great content and serves as a resource to the visitors. And you monetize it with affiliate links as well as your own products if you so choose. That's what makes it an authority. It becomes an asset that you can actually sell later down the line for 30 times multiple on monthly profit. Now, I'm not going to get into that aspect of this in this video, but it's food for thought, something that you should know. To succeed with affiliate marketing, you only need 3 ingredients. So I don't want you to overcomplicate this. You need a niche, you need products to promote, and you need traffic. Now, I'm going to walk you through how to do all 3 of those things in this video. So make sure you watch all the way until the end. I'm going to give you a lot of tips and tricks. And if you like affiliate marketing, if you're really interested in affiliate marketing, we cover that a lot on this channel, especially affiliate marketing for beginners. So make sure you like this video, subscribe. If you like this video, it helps our channel get out there. So anyways, let's dive right in. Now, the first thing you need for affiliate marketing is a niche. Now, this is where a lot of people stumble and trip up. Either they don't choose a niche at all. They just kind of create a website that covers all their interests. They're interested in traveling. They're interested in cooking. They're interested in raising their kids. That is not a serious affiliate marketing website. There are outliers that make this successful, but the majority of people, they don't see success with this strategy because they're covering too many topics. People don't know what's going on. They don't know what's coming next, and they're not interested in following the website, right? So the first thing you need to do is choose a niche. It can be really tempting to choose something that's really broad, like fitness. Well, here's the thing, guys. If you choose fitness, then you're going to be competing with some of the largest brands in the world, like Jenny Craig, Men's Health, Men's Fitness, Women's Fitness, etc. So what you want to do is that instead of just choosing fitness, you want to go 2 levels deeper. Like this diagram on the screen, you have fitness, and then when you go 1 level deeper, you have men's fitness and women's fitness. Well, that's not deep enough because really those are the only 2 types of fitness, right? Men's fitness and women's fitness. There are only 2 genders in the world. Well, let's leave that at that. You want to go deeper, and so instead of just men's fitness, you want to go men's fitness for people over 40, or men's fitness for busy professionals, or men's fitness for young graduates, etc., etc., or men's fitness for skinny fat people. This narrows it down and lets people who visit your website self-identify. If they're not within that category, they know that the content isn't for them, so they'll go away. But you're able to stake your flag in the ground and say, look, I'm the expert on this. If you need any information on this particular subject, I'm the person you come to. People who fall within that niche, they'll share. People who are interested in that niche, they'll share. Other influencers in that niche, in the larger fitness niche, will recommend your content and help you build that authority, traffic, and make that revenue you're looking for. Now, there are really 3 criteria that you need to take into consideration when you're choosing a niche. First is size and competition within that niche. Secondly is product diversity. And third is interest over time. And I'm going to touch on all of these. So let's jump on over to the computer and I'm going to walk you through all of this step by step. Now, these examples, I'm going to be using a series of free and paid tools, and I'm going to be researching men's fitness to determine the size and the competition within my niche. So the first tool is called the Google Keyword Planner. It's a free tool from the Google Ads Manager. So if you just type that into Google, like Google Chrome or even Mozilla Firefox or whatever, it'll bring back the result Google Keyword Planner. So when you open it up, if you don't have a Google account, or if you've not set up a Google AdWords account, you'll be prompted to do all of those things. And then you can search for your key terms. Here, I've searched for men's fitness and I've done all locations. Make sure you do all locations. Otherwise, it'll limit you to the country where you're in. And that may not be indicative of the actual size of your niche. Google Keyword Planner gives me a range. It doesn't actually give me the exact figures. I'm going to show you tools that do that. So I can see that men's fitness is between 10,000 and 100,000 monthly searches, and it has low competition. This competition is for paid advertising, not actually for search engine optimization. And so a paid advertiser pays between $0.75 and $2.84 for a single click. They're profitable enough to support those advertising costs. Google Keyword Planner also gives you suggested keywords, as you can see here, like home workout for men, which is another really good one. Best Fitbit for men. That's a very targeted product focused keyword, and these ones have between 1K and 10K searches. So what I want to do is I want to get more specific. I want to understand exactly how many people are searching for men's fitness. So for that, I'm going to use a tool called Uber Suggest. It's a free and paid tool, but you can get most of what you need from the free version. So I just typed in men's fitness at the top here. So it gives me the estimated average search volumes per month, as well as the SEO difficulty. We're interested in this score because we're building an authority affiliate site, so SEO difficulty is really important. So it says that it's easy, and the paid difficulty is also easy, and then it also gives you a few different key terms with their difficulty and paid difficulty, as well as cost per click. And another one I like to use is ahrefs.com. Now this is a paid tool. It costs about $99 a month to get started on their lowest plan. And when I type in men's fitness, it says that it's hard, and I need links from 81 websites. You got to take all these things with a grain of salt, because I've seen that if you get better links, then you need way less than that 81. If you get worse links, you might actually need more than that 81. Now the search volume here is 7,900, but that's just for the United States. When you look at the global volume over here, you see that it's 15,000. It also tells you how many people actually click the search results. 82% of the 7,900 people that search for it actually click a search result. If you go down, it'll also show you the people, the kind of websites that are ranking in their power and their authority. Now, this domain rating is a sliding scale from 0 to 100. Sites like Facebook are 100, brand new sites are 0. So it shows the number of domains, the number of backlinks, and the kind of traffic you can expect to get if you're in the number 1 position, the number 2 position, the number 3 position, etc., as well as the number of keywords that particular page is ranking for, which gives you a wealth of competitive research, lets you know how difficult it is, and lets you know your overall search volumes. Men's fitness has a lot of different key terms that can be used. Men's fitness apparel, men's fitness clothing, fitness, men's health, and just different variations on the key terms. So you can get an idea of the overall size of the niche. And men's health looks like it's a really sizable niche, and a keyword difficulty of 49 for your main keyword isn't too difficult. You'll be able to rank for that within 6 months, but you may not want to actually target that keyword first because it's very general. All you want us to do is see the overall competition and the overall search volume in that niche. So now you understand your size of your niche, and you understand the competition. And now you want to look at the product spread, what kind of products are in your niche. So to do that, to understand that, you want to just type in different kind of things like men's fitness books, men's fitness courses, men's fitness apps, men's fitness software, and you want to see whether or not there are products being sold in there. That gives you an idea of how diverse the product categories are. So we can see that there are a lot of books on men's fitness, a lot of search results. And if you click on these results, you can see exactly how those websites are making money from these recommendations and what they're doing with their traffic. And we're going to go deeper into how to choose or how to select the products you want to go after as well. In this search result, I did men's fitness apps. So there are a whole bunch of apps, 22, 18, 10. So let's you know that there's a niche for that. There's software being created for men's fitness. I also searched for men's fitness software as well as men's fitness courses. So men's fitness software is very similar to men's fitness apps. So men's fitness courses will bring you results related to all these really large course aggregators like Coursera, Allison, Udemy, Skillshare, etc. But when you really dive deep into the product selection, you're going to narrow out those results, and you're going to look for specific bloggers that you can actually establish relationships with. And we're going to do that in the next section. So far, we've looked at the size of the niche, the competition in the niche, and the products available in the niche. Now we want to look at how that niche is growing or contracting over time. And for that, we're going to use another free tool from Google called Google Trends. Now, Google Trends shows you how topics have been trending over time. So I'm just going to type in a few of the major keywords like men's fitness. So once the results load, you're going to want to filter it by at least the past 5 years to understand the interest over time. Now, a niche like fitness, it gets spikes in January with all those New Year's resolutions. You're going to want to understand whether it's going up or down, like general interest in the world is going up or down, because you don't want to jump on a trend that's actually shrinking, something like fidget spinners or something that has a short lifespan or short shelf life. We can see that fitness has remained fairly consistent up until 2018. It seems that it's been dropping off a bit, but it's fitness. So fitness is going to be popular forever unless something changes in the world and people no longer care about looking good. So that's basically all you need to do a preliminary search of the niches that you're interested in. Now go through this process for all of the niches that you came up with that you have an interest in or you think you can make some decent money in. Now for the selection of products, you've done a little bit of this. We went through this a little bit in the niche selection, but now what you want to do is really hone in on the kind of products and services that you're going to want to promote as an affiliate marketer. If you chose the right niche, like what we did just now, you know you have a large range of products to choose from. So where should you start? What should you start with? Should you start with gear? Should you start with software? Should you start with courses? And it really kind of depends on where you're coming from in the competition. And this gets mixed into keyword research. But for now, I'm just going to jump on over to the computer and show you again how to really narrow down the types of products, whether you want to find courses, whether you want to find Amazon affiliate products, or whether you want to find individual deals with manufacturers, whatever the case may be. I'm going to show you a few quick methods on how to do that. Choosing the products you want to promote doesn't have to be difficult or cumbersome. You want to go through the process of finding either courses or software or books or any other product by using Google, and it's very simple. If you want to promote courses, for example, you wouldn't want to type in courses for fitness because it'll come up with all these aggregators like Coursera, Allison, and Udemy. What you want to do is you want to first search for top blogs for men, such as top fitness bloggers in my own example that I'm showing you. So you want to open these in a new tab and follow the breadcrumbs. I'll now open like Zen Habits, Nerd Fitness, and see what they're talking about. This one is Fit Man Cook. It's all about recipes, and he has a book. So more than likely, he has an affiliate program for that book. He also has an application. He may have an affiliate program for that application. So once you see this, you might want to shortlist them or explore the site a little bit more to understand whether or not they have an affiliate program for these kind of things. Like Nerd Fitness now, right in the top menu, they have something called a home workout program, private coaching, free resources, and courses and training. And I'm very sure that he'll have an affiliate program for those courses and training. This is something you can shortlist and look at in more detail later. Continue to go through the top blogs in the niche and see what kind of courses, training programs, or whatever that are available, and see whether those have affiliate programs that you can use to grow your own brand or to monetize your website. Eventually down the line, you might want to create your own. And you'll want to repeat this process for the different types of products. So if you want to sell books, best fitness books. If you want to sell software, best software for fitness. After you have a short list of websites or programs or whatever that you want to promote, it's important to figure out how you're going to do it. So do you want to make an individual review for the product, or do you want to make a large best of list? For the fitness example now, I might want to make a large best of list. So I want to first check the competition and the kind of traffic that I can expect if I go that route. So I'm going to do the best fitness apps within Ahrefs. And again, you can do this within Neil Patel as well. So I can see that the search volume is 6,200 visitors a month, and globally is 12,000 visitors a month. And it has a difficulty of 43. And the websites that rank number one get about 5,000. Oh, and this one even gets 13,000 visitors a month. And then it uses a slightly different variation, best workout apps, so which has more search volume. So I might, instead of using the best fitness apps, I'll use the best workout apps. And like this, you can keep exploring your niche, keep exploring opportunities to find products, as well as ways to rank your site and start producing that income. So I want you to shortlist opportunities, shortlist the kind of products there. So maybe you can make an individual review, or best of list where you can add in all these products that you have an affiliate relationship with. All right, now you've got your niche. You've got a couple products that you want to promote. The last step is driving traffic to your affiliate offers. Now, there are so many different ways to drive traffic, and I can't stress this enough. You can use YouTube, you can use Facebook, you can use SEO, you can use content marketing, you can use forums, you can use Pinterest. And really, what determines the method that you use is your niche. If I was promoting a digital marketing affiliate site, affiliate marketing authority site, then I'd probably ignore Instagram, because that's really for fitness and fashion and lifestyle. But then I would use something like Facebook and search engine optimization. If I had a lifestyle brand, I'd be all over Instagram, probably even Snapchat. A lot of the promotion strategies you use will depend on your niche and where your audience hangs out. Now, I'm going to jump on the computer and I'm going to show you a few ways to get the ball rolling and start promoting your affiliate websites. Now, the last one on our list tends to be the biggest sticking point. How do you get traffic? Now, I prefer to use search engine optimization, but it can take time if you're not used to it or you really don't know what you're doing. So instead of that, I'm not going to recommend search engine optimization as your only option, but I strongly recommend it using creating search optimized content plus building links through guest posts and outreach. Now that's an entire topic for another day, but let's take my niche for example. I'm in the fitness niche, men's fitness. So I want to target places where I know I can find both men and that appeals to visual content because fitness is a visual niche. So in order to do that, I'll shortlist certain social media platforms like Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube to generate traffic. So I'm just going to show an example with Pinterest, how to kind of go about it and how to really make the most of this strategy. So on Pinterest.com, I want to type in men's fitness, and then it shows me all the pins, all the most popular pins related to men's fitness. So I want to click on one. I want to go to the person who is posting this. They have 156,000 followers and they have 1.4 million monthly viewers, and a good portion of that clicks back to their website, the bodybuilding blog. So what I want to do is I want to analyze what they're doing, the kind of content they're posting, how they're creating their pins, what makes their pins stand out in the feed, etc., etc. So you can see that they're using a really specific kind of pin. It's yellow and white, and they're pinning it to specific boards. Now all you need to do is emulate the exact same type and format of content that they're pinning on their boards. You don't have to reinvent the wheel here, guys. What has worked for them will work for you. And another thing with Pinterest, there's a website called pingroupie.com. Now this website will allow you to find all different types of Pinterest boards, group boards, and join them so that you can then pin content from your website to these boards and expand your reach without doing any extra work. Now there are tools that make this much easier, such as Tailwind. Let me just run through an example of how you can find a board using this tool. So these are all different types of boards. So health and fitness has 5,000 followers. Health, fitness, diet, wellness tips has almost 30,000 followers. Fitness and wellness has 592,000 followers, but you can see here there are no collaborators except for the owner of the board, so it might not be a good option. Whereas health, fitness, and diet has 9 collaborators. And then health and fitness has 50 collaborators. Whereas this one has so many collaborators, it might not be a good fit because if you're a collaborator, you're also a follower. So people are basically using this as a promotion avenue. And there are not many people who are following it just to find good content related to fitness. So there are 96 results pages and each page has 10 results. So that means there are about 960 boards related to fitness. You can take this list and start working on it slowly and surely and ask them to join these group boards. Start creating pins, pinning to the boards, and generate traffic to your affiliate articles. This process is the same whether you're using YouTube, Instagram, etc. You want to find people who are doing something, emulate what they're doing, and collaborate with other influencers on the platform. It's the same with YouTube. You want to find great videos, see what they're doing, emulate that, and then collaborate with other people on the platform. Alright guys, so I've taken you through affiliate marketing from A to Z. Now you now know how to select a niche, how to find the right products, and even how to drive traffic to your websites. So if you follow these steps, you'll be ahead of 99% of people who start out with affiliate marketing, and you didn't have to buy a course to get this information, right? So what you need to do now, what's really important, is to go hard. What that means is you need to dedicate a specific amount of time, energy, and resources to achieving affiliate marketing success. It may not be easy, but it is straightforward and it is relatively simple. But you got to put in the work. There's no two ways about it. It takes work, it takes dedication, or it takes a lot of money that you can invest up front. You can pick your poison, right? So if you're strapped on cash, then you got to put in the work. Now, if you like all these affiliate marketing videos, both the tactical and the strategic aspects like I've shown you in this video, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button, press subscribe, and leave a comment down below. You know, it really helps this channel grow and get in front of more people. It kind of validates the hard work I'm putting in for all these videos. It takes hours to shoot, edit, cut, copy, paste, you know. So it does take time and energy to do these videos. And really, I just want to give back to the community because I know that the community will give back to me if I deliver valuable content. So destroy that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.